Welcome back, everybody. This one we're going to finish this here welding helmet and do a little black around the gold leaf to make it pop a little more. Then I do a little freehand in the middle of it here and make a sweet little wall hanger. And I hope you all just enjoy the video. Here it is, finished piece, done, ready to be hung up on the wall. The flake looks awesome. And this is, I don't know if I've said it before, this is a candy tangerine pagan gold candy mix. Both House of Collar has been flaked a long time ago. But anyways, it's got some really, really big silver flake. The base is all silver flake. I will throw a picture in here what it looked like before it's candied. But it is, all the gold leaf turned out really good. I'm pleased with it. The outline looks good on it. My striping on it, I mean, just the freehand stuff, I really like it. I love doing the real small, tight designs. I just love the way it looks. There you can see the colors, and it's an orange and like a tan, I think. But on here, it kind of gives it a white look, which is exactly what I was going for. But I'm really, really pleased with it. It's good for a wall hanger, and that's what it'll be. I may actually hang it right here. But yep, I'm done with it. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me do it. If you would, please like, comment, and subscribe. That does help us. People say it all the time, but it really does. It really does help the YouTubers out and everything. Helps the channel grow and just helps me out. So all right, and we'll be on to the next one. See you later.